Hey, praise the Lord, everybody. How are you? This is Bishop Theodore Brooks, Second Assistant Presiding Bishop. I want to remind you, August the 5th through the 11th, in the great city of Atlanta, Georgia, there's going to be a tremendous apostolic explosion that's going to take place. You need to be there. You need to come and be able to share in the blessings of the Lord. Our presider has chosen the theme, continuing the legacy. But I believe that we're not only going to just continue the legacy, but we're going to see a great move, a great apostolic revival to start and take place. I believe that with all my heart, soul, and mind. Other organizations feel the same way. We've heard them say it. This is our time. So on behalf of Lady J and myself, I want to see you in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh, by the way, when you see me walking up and down the hallway, remind me that you saw this video and it just did something to you to cause you to make sure that you had your place with us at the 103rd Convention of the Pentecostal Assemblies of the World in Atlanta, Georgia, August the 5th through the 11th. I want to see you there. Love you much. May heaven smile upon you. God bless you.
Come on, if you got the experience, put your hands together.